What is going on YouTube? Hitterback making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, yesterday was Saturday, which means lots of consolidation for the most part here. And also that we're not really going to be seeing much movement. We're not going to see much movement on most of the major cryptos because typically the stock market is, or always the stock market is closed on the weekends. And what that means is we don't really see much movement within cryptocurrency as well. People take breaks, they're not paying attention to it as much, and the markets kind of stagnate sideways. It's kind of what we're seeing happening right now. As you guys can see, most of the major cryptos as of yesterday did not really see much movement. XRP, not really much movement. Ethereum, not really much movement yesterday. Same thing with Bitcoin, and the S&P is obviously closed. So we're pretty much just kind of hanging out until Tuesday because Monday is Memorial Day. So this is going to be a long weekend of not really seeing much movement. At least that's what I think. Now, we're still going to go in depth about these cryptocurrencies and the trades that we do currently have open, which is specifically XRP. But we are going to be looking at ones that we also believe are going to continue to soar higher. Obviously, XRP, we still have the general idea that we are going to continue to rally upwards here. That's why we have a trade opened. Ethereum, we believe, is going to continue to rally up. Bitcoin kind of consolidating, but we are waiting for a general price movement as well within this, which we also believe is going to head to the upside here. The S&P is still consolidating, so lots of interesting, peculiar movements within the S&P 2 that we have to go over. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, I just want to let you guys know that I did drop a new video yesterday on my second channel here in regards to rebuilding my wrecked Volkswagen Golf R that was in an accident, and I am fixing it up from scratch here. So make sure to check that out. Link is down in the description if you want to break from cryptocurrency and looking at some other crazy stuff that I'm doing because I don't know why. But yeah, definitely make sure to check that out. Link down in the description below. Now, moving forward into today's video, you can see for the most part here, we are still consolidating. And yesterday, we've pretty much decided that we are still trading inside a major kind of ascending fractal on most of the cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin here. And inside of these channels, it is an extremely aggressive trade, but they still kind of, show signs of reversal back to the upside. That's truly where we believe, or I believe specifically, crypto is going to be moving to. Now, moving forward to the current coin market cap here, you can see a quick refresh reveals we're up 1.28%, currently trading at 1.14 trillion. Most of the cryptos are flatlined out, but we are starting to slowly move to the upside here. Slowly move to the upside on a lot of these cryptos, but the markets are, for the most part, consolidating. It is the weekend. Sideways movement is really what we expect to see happen here within most of the major alts and cryptocurrencies. So by no means a surprise that we're kind of flatlined out right now. We are slowly moving up. And that gets us much closer to retesting a bit of resistance here. So, for example, XRP, what we've been tracking for a very long time is the bull flag formation. Second one to be exact. We had the first one here, and we broke up. Here's the actual flag pole itself, the actual flag right here, and then this is the continuation breakout here. Well, that continues further. We have another flag pole, the flag itself right here, and then we have the continuation breakout to the upside. We don't know just yet if that's going to happen here, but we do believe, or at least I believe strongly, that we are going to continue this rally because typically these bull flags break us to the upside here. For example, if we look up bull flag crypto, you can see that history is kind of repeating itself here. Right here, we have the, I hate when this does that. Okay, here we go. So we have the beautiful flag pole right here, the bullish flag, the entry at the bottom of the flag, the breakout of the flag, uptrend continuation right here. Volume decreases as the price is retraced. Volume picks up, and again, the breakout begins. Do we have that right here? Yeah, volume definitely retraces. Volume picks up literally right here, and then we see the breakout happen. So it is a bullish movement here. That is exactly what we are experiencing right now. And we are bouncing off the moving averages, which is also a good sign. But regardless, I do believe this is going to continue to head us to the upside here, potentially even up to 50, 60 cents on XRP. We did manage to buy in long. We waited for not only a breakout above the yellow, you can see the yellow resistance, but specifically above the price ceiling at about 45 cents here. Once we confirmed closure right at 46 cents, that's when we bought into a position of longing it to the upside here. And then since then, we've kind of been on rocky territory, almost getting stopped out. But for the most part, trending inside the sideways channel here, which we still believe is going to be breaking to the upside here. Unfortunately, it landed on the weekend here, so we might just see a lot of consolidation, but you can already see today we're trending outside of the resistance. Regardless, we're already in a long position here, so I don't really see any worry about staying in any longer, but I do believe we should continue this rally to the upside, although since today's Sunday, we might have today and tomorrow consolidate. Then hopefully we can continue the run to the upside here. But we are still in a long position, and I don't believe it's too late to get in since we've pretty much just been, flatlined out for the most part. I bought in at almost 46 cents here, and we're at 47 cents. So there's really not much of a difference here. But obviously do your own due diligence and research and homework. We did the buy-in opportunity on BidFight here, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. I'm actually noticing some interesting things on the charts here. You can see all of the major all the major moving averages, the 7-day, 25, and 100-day, 99-day, are kind of consolidating right now into one point of apex here. We were extremely overextended, extremely drawn out, and they're all completely filling in the gap. This is not usual, and typically that means breaks happen here. You can see the last time we kind of all came together here, we saw a big pop, and here we are doing the same thing. So it's very possible we could see the same movement. That's kind of what I expect to see happen here. But we did do the trade on XRP. You can see we are starting to see a lot of this intertanglement within a lot of these cryptos, and you can see usually when the moving averages, all three kind of hang out with each other, that's usually a telltale sign of a break. This is what happened at the end of this bull flag. You can see here's the flagpole itself, the consolidation of all the moving averages, breakout. Well, here we are doing the same exact thing yet again. So another opportunity for a breakout. So we can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything you could possibly think of offered on BidFight here. You can buy long, sell short, so on and so forth, right? Using this, and specifically on XRP, which is how we've been doing these trades, which is awesome. Highly recommend you check out BidFight. You're actually losing out if you don't use BidFight and use other cryptocurrency exchanges, and I'll tell you why. Number one, it's completely free to sign up with the link down in the description. Number two, it's completely risk-free to trade. Well, how is that possible? Well, they offer a demo account, which gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills. Get familiar with the platform. Get familiar if you're even good at trading here, and then you can obviously switch to using real crypto if you feel the need to. Otherwise, you can keep playing around with the Monopoly money, the kind of, simulation account, a simulator account here. The best part is if you do decide to sign up with the link down in the description, today is the last day actually for you guys to check out the free $100 bonus that they actually offered, BidFight offered. We reached out to them and we've worked out some sort of bonus giveaway here. Today is the last day right here. Fill out this BidFight form for a $100 bonus. You click this, you can see the last day is today. Where is it? Right here, the 28th of May. So make sure to check this out. Link down in the description. Only 3 steps for a free way to earn $100. So make sure to check that out. And moving forward, the last and final step is once you do decide to sign up, click Welcome Rewards after, and you can earn up to $2,888. Simple, easy, and free by clicking the links down in the description below. Now, moving forward from XRP, looking at things like Ethereum, Bitcoin, the S&P 500, I'm also a strong believer that Ethereum is going to continue to rally up. Reason being, beautiful lower high, lower low descending fractal here, filling in the gap, coming to a point of apex, bottom support, price floor, as well as the moving averages, all pushing the price of this up. You can see there is a clear resistance. We are trading inside a sideways channel for a long time, actually, literally since the 11th. So we're going to complete this month, about 2 to 3 weeks of sideways trading, and we're waiting for a confirmation break above price ceiling. So not an opportunity to buy in just yet, but it is soon. Obviously, we're still inside a beautiful ascending fractal here, which is an extremely risky type of trade. However, if we can close above this price ceiling right here, there's a very high chance we could buy in and expect to see leverage to the upside. Obviously, this is a risky trade. Anything inside of here is definitely not conservative, but it is a moderate to aggressive trade. So if we can confirm today, tomorrow, maybe after this long weekend, then we can buy in and long this with expectations of shooting up to almost $2,000 on Ethereum. Same thing kind of goes with Bitcoin too. Lots of consolidation. You can see flatlined out since the 11th of May here, still floating, entangled with the price ceiling as well as the moving average. Hopefully, we see some sort of breakout, and if we could breach or close the daily above 27K here, then I can expect to see a long to potentially even 35,000. So markets are all over the place. Absolutely nuts the way crypto is trading right now. You can see a little bit interesting movement on the S&P 500, yet again retesting the white band here. I'm hoping for the most part that we don't break through it. We kind of just float along like this, but who knows at this point. With that all being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button though, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.